Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Steam game recording. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Game recording has been a beta Steam feature for some time, but it's now released to all users. As name suggests, this feature is an alternative to external software that allows you to record or clip your screen. The most popular way of sharing gaming clip is screen recording, but it has problem. There's a height change. You won't be able to record all of your gameplay. It's just for visible. This means there's a height change. You won't be able to record some of epic moment. So what if you, for some reason, you want to just turn off this feature from your Steam? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open your Steam. From here, you can go to settings. So you can go to Steam, select on settings. You can just scroll down until you find there is a game recording. You can select on that. So here's where you can turn off the recording. Or maybe you just want to change the specific settings on your recording. But if you only want to recording off, so Steam will not record your gameplay, you can just select on recording off. It's very simple, right? And maybe if you change your mind, you want to record your gameplay in the background, you can select on record in background, and you can set up this specific settings, or you can record manually. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off game recording on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.